Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hazel here. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 interesting facts on animals and birds. So, without any further ado, let's begin with the video. Facts on animals and birds with part 2. A monkey's arms are longer than its legs. Hippo can hold its breath for 5 minutes. Snakes do not have eyelids. Polar bear is the largest bear. Snake uses its tongue to smell. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Tortoises lived among the dinosaurs. The male seahorse has a pouch that they keep their eggs in. Kakapo is a member of parrot family that cannot fly. Howler monkey is the loudest animal on earth. If you enjoyed the video, then like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video to everyone. And comment in the chat section below that what do you want me to make the next video as. See you soon with a new video. Goodbye. To see more amazing videos like this, click on the video on your screen.